Welcome to the future of visual entropy, where images derive secure cryptographic keys. What if an image could become a key? Every pixel contains information.
Rather than scanning an image sequentially, Paradox performs a recursive traversal across visual space. Each visited pixel influences the next step, creating a deterministic exploration path that extracts entropy from multiple image regions. Each recursion step generates a new cryptographic state. Using hash chain evolution, every decision influences future traversal paths, ensuring deterministic behavior while continuously increasing complexity. The result is a self-evolving entropy extraction process. The collected entropy is transformed into a deterministic cryptographic secret. Through multiple stages of processing, millions of visual data points collapse into a reproducible key, capable of powering modern encryption systems. Innovation becomes meaningful when it can be shared, reproduced, and improved. Paradox was released as an open-source project, published as a Python package, and archived as a citable research artifact to support transparency, experimentation, and future research.